welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone. So we're here at Aquabat today, right? To come get some fresh fish that come right out of Guyana there. Let me see how they get there. About box of fresh snapper. Come out from Guyana there. Alright, so look good there. So check it out, we got the fish cut up there for we're gonna do cutter style. Whole snapper we got there, right? And here we got some more fresh bangaberry, come all the way out of Guyana. Also got some fresh white belly shrimp coming. And check out them bad by this, how them big fish. Fresh out of Guyana, right? So check it out here, the man get cut last car right here. And you get some fresh coconut here too, right? Alright, 22? Got chop cane or Rita? So coconut on sale today, 5 for 20, right? Or $5 for one, however you choose.
You get one free, you buy four.
Alright. So buy 4 get 1 free. That's the deal today.
Yeah, you buy 4 get 1 free.
And this is what the kitchen got there. We got some fresh chicken, we got dal, we got some bunjal, something there, pachowni, we got duck, we got goat, they got cassava ball, they got some fresh pickle, and some other stuff prepared here. They got fried fish, fish cake, pudding. Alright, so we buy 4 coconut and we get 1 free, right? We're gonna cut that up. 5 for 20. Get fresh green coconut there. They get cane and stuff coming. Cane all the way from Albion Estate. And we got the coconut master there. Gonna cut it up for us. Fresh coconut one. Check it out there. Nice young coconut. Coconut has got plenty water. Look, one fill up this container already. Nice young coconut there. You get nice thin jelly. Rita's gonna taste a piece of jelly there. Give it a try, Lucy. Cheers, cheers.
Jelly, then a piece of Mike.
Okay, give me some sugar, like. Some sugar.
Alright, grease up your lungs there. Where does coconut come from? Blackbush, Rita? Or Pomeroon? Pomeroon coconut? Blackbush coconut? So Uncle do upholstery work there, right? If you need any upholstery, car seat, couch covering, reach out to Uncle.
Okay.
Good for rum? Alright. Fresh coconut there, man. How you go wrong there, right? So we got 5 coconut there. We fill up 2 mug and 1 extra. A lot of water. The coconut is full of water. Check it out here. We got sugar apple. What is this? Wild grapes?
Wild grapes.
We got guinea. And look, Rita got there. Rita hit jackpot. Golden apple. Or June plum. Alright, give it a taste there.
Yeah, good flesh, everything. Yeah, bad.
Okay, good.
Check out the pastry they have in Aquaba. They make everything here. They got some snacks and pickle golden apple. Egg ball. Chicken curry, goat curry, pachowni, dal. Nice bango. Family, check it out. We're at Uncle Mukesh house, right? Look, pepper. He's selling $5 a pint. If you guys are interested. A lot of pepper. And these are pimento. I guess he picked from this already. See? And check out this plant. I forgot how he tell me it's eagle eyes or something. Sorry, I don't know what is this, but he said you could boil it and drink it. It's good. If you guys know what kind of plant is this, drop a comment down below. Let me know. And get some nice poi bhaji. And these Guyana bhaji. Look how huge this is. He's not picking it. Uncle Mukesh can get this thing for style. And then he got bora, okra, and more bora.
So check it out, I got some big and saltfish there from Aquaba. First time I'm trying theirs out, right? So let's see what we got inside. Alright, so we got some fish inside there. See?
Let's see.
The saltfish. And we get some fresh pepper sauce to go along with it there.
How is it?
It's good. It's a salt bake they use. I use the sweet bake.
Salt big?
Salt bake and saltfish. Not bad.
And this is what I'm having. They're doubles.
Not good.
So the man select the Mukesh here inside the studio. This is the man's studio out here in the garage. 2 tops, 1 bottom. Over here 2 tops, 1 bottom also. And you get the man doing the selection there. So this is the settings inside the studio here.
This way you read the comment on this one.
So we got the snapper here, right? We're cleaning it up. Check it out there, man. We got Uncle Krishna cleaning it up there.
Yeah, take for the scale.
You gotta rescale it, right? The man rescale them and then bring them, but then I scale them out to be like in. So we gotta do them back.
Scale ang good.
It's a snap.
Oh yeah, this is the second one, right? The first one was so good, we had to get a second one. One good one deserves a second one.
Then fry out.
So this is from the first one, right? We seasoned it up. We had a different guy cut this one up. So this one is a little bit smaller. This one for cutters, man. The other one is for curry style. So we already fried some. I'll show you guys that. So we fry up the first one there, right? See where they come out there. The man select Mukesh birthday, the man early birthday celebration. We got whole weekend celebration, right?
Yeah.
And we got some nice fried snapper to go along with it there. Pre-birthday celebration. So happy birthday, happy early birthday.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Alright. So check it out, we got a second fish there, right? One good fish deserve another.
Yep.
And we got Selector Mukesh and Uncle Krishna are gonna do the seasoning there, or the finishing touch for this fish there. We mix it up with a little bit that's remaining from the first one. This snapper real fresh, man, and it tastes real good. You can taste the freshness from it.
I like to use white pepper, not black, yeah?
So we got some white pepper, adding some white pepper into this there.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got some curry powder.
After the curry powder, after taste the fish. Nice,
Yeah, man.
you know?
Sprinkle of curry powder there.
Yeah, man.
Alright, real good.
This time, I'm gonna add a touch of garam masala on this one this time.
Alright, garam masala. Mix up the flavor there, man.
Yeah, a little different touch on this one here.
Here we got some sazan.
Sazan.
Sazan to make the color look real good there, man.
Yeah, man. Smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika. We're adding some smoked paprika onto this bad boy there. Alright, this give it some nice smoky taste here. Here we got some nice fresh pepper sauce there. Pepper picked right off the garden, right?
Yeah, man.
And we make some nice pepper sauce. Woo! That thing smells real good already there with the pepper.
Yep. Some salt in this there.
We're gonna add some salt.
Sea salt, sea salt.
Sea salt for the flavor.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
We're adding some green seasoning, right?
Yes, green herbs.
Green herbs, fresh off the garden, man. It's summertime, so we got fresh herbs there. All right, so we're gonna mix this up, let it marinate, and this is gonna be our cutters. Fresh snapper, right off the coast of Guyana in the Atlantic Ocean. Fresh snapper, right? So check it out, we got some nice egg fried rice here for Selector Mukesh birthday preparation there. Real good. And over here we got some nice bunjal chicken there.
Guinea hen?
Guinea hen, right? This is a guinea hen, bunjal style.
Uncle Mukesh, is this guinea hen?
Okay, so yard fowl. A nice yard fowl there, bunjal style. We got the oil warming up there. We're gonna do some nice snapper fried fish. Check it out there. We got 2 snapper seasoned up, well seasoned up and marinate from last night. So this we're gonna fry this up to get some nice cutters to go along there with some cold Coronas. Alright, so we got the oil warm up there. We're going in with the snapper fish there. We're gonna fry this bad boy up and make some nice cutters. Check out the puppy there. Cheers. Hey, Janana scared?
No, you're fine. Y'all fed it? Hold on. Number. Good.
So we got the fish coming along nicely there.
So check it out, family. The party continue. What we having?
Fireball in the house.
Fireball shot.
Wrong now? Hey.
Shots, shots.
Cheers, cheers. We're feeling nice. It's really good.
Alright, cheers. Happy birthday again once again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Life begins at 40. Happy 40 birthday.
It's smooth, man. It's smooth.
Oh, look what we got. We got some nice chana.
You think something not inside? Right.
Golden apple. Some nice
fried
fish.
fish and some lime sour.
Lime sour.
Eat those.
We got some nice toast.
Lord. Corona is a must.
Cheers, cheers.
What we got here? Fireball. They say you gotta shake it up, right? And circle your head. Next thing they give you
Ready or ain't ready?
Hey, what?
Let's go.
Happy birthday to Selector Mukesh.
Dinner time. We got some nice chicken, fried rice, egg fried rice. Ethan gonna do the taste test. And Chad, what are you having? Same thing? Next one. Come, Jen.
So look what we got there. Happy birthday to Uncle Mukesh. We got the whole passe in the house. You guys come together, let's sing. Birthday to you. Come, Jen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Let's take that.
How old are you now?
Oh, 25.
Yes.
21. You go above.
Okay, everybody feed.
Alright, happy birthday to Uncle Mukesh. Selector Mukesh.
On the 1 and the 2s. And then don't forget the 3s.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Next.
I bring you plenty. They eat.
And make a man get diabetes.
I have diabetes.
Clement. Too much sugar.
Hug and kissy. You go first. Yeah, you go.
We got Chad in the house. Chad and select the Mukesh in the house. Yay!
Who is it? Uncle Krishna. Uncle Krishna is the main event.
We got Shane in the house. Yeah.
Big Uncle Krishna, big up to your whole staff, buddy.
The man that give rum, the man that give cake, the man that give rum. See?
Hey.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Give man a kiss there. Give man a kiss.
Hey, Krishna.
One and only Rita and Krishna Sukaran in the house here.
Yes, big up to select the Mukesh.
Woo!
Thank you, my brother, for celebrating my birthday. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Anytime, man. Happy birthday, right?
Happy
May you live
birthday.
until you die.
Thank you, man.
Right, so we got the man Ethan gonna give a speech here, right?
Yeah, man.
The Uncle Select the Mukesh Day.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mukesh. You cook great chicken.
10 out of 10. Chad is next.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mukesh. And you're great.
Uncle.
Yeah!
All right, the one and only Jen, yeah! Yeah!
Big up your whole self.
Yeah! Rita is making her way in the house. Let me go. Big entrance,
Happy birthday to Uncle Mukesh. May you live till you die. Thank you for everything you have done for us. We love you very much. Happy birthday. Wait, hi, Simano.
Hey! Alright, Sima next. Yay! Alright, Sima look like you eyes, mom.
May you live to see many more women of high silver.
Make sure they get goody.
Happy birthday.
Yeah!